Imagine you had a creative partner who never got tired. You give it an idea. Maybe it's a sentence. Maybe it's a document. Maybe it's just a question you've been thinking about. A little while later, it hands you back a complete whiteboard video with a script, a natural voice, animated drawings, captions, a thumbnail, and everything ready to share. That's Ankon AI. You can start in whatever way feels natural. Type a simple prompt, and Ankon writes the story for you. Already have your own script. Just paste it in, and Ankon keeps your words exactly as you wrote them. Or upload a document, an article, a PDF, or an image, and Ankon transforms it into a video while preserving the information that matters. Before creating anything, Ankon verifies facts from trusted sources whenever possible, helping your videos stay accurate instead of confidently making things up. Then the magic begins. Ankon generates a scene-by-scene whiteboard animation, where every illustration appears as if it's being drawn by hand. The visuals evolve naturally with the narration, making complex ideas easy to understand and surprisingly enjoyable to watch. It doesn't stop there. Ankon creates natural AI narration in multiple languages, making it easy to share your ideas with audiences around the world. Every spoken word is synchronized with animated captions, so viewers can follow along effortlessly, whether they're watching, learning, or reading. When the video is finished, Ankon also creates everything around it: a title, a custom thumbnail, chapters, subtitles, metadata, everything you'd normally spend hours preparing. Need more visuals? Enable Enhance, and Ankon generates additional illustrations throughout the video, making longer stories richer and more engaging. Want every video to feel like your own brand? Upload your logo or watermark once, and Ankon automatically applies it to every export. As your library grows, Ankon helps organize everything with collections, making it easy to find videos whenever you need them. If you'd rather browse than create, explore the community gallery, where you can discover videos from other creators, search by topic, save your favorites, and share the ones you enjoy. For developers, Ankon goes even further. Every feature is available through a REST API. You can authenticate securely with OAuth, integrate directly into your applications, or connect AI assistants through the Model Context Protocol. Whether you're using Claude, Cursor, Codex, or another compatible client, your AI tools can generate whiteboard videos through Ankon without leaving their workflow. And because we're still in our early beta, you can start creating today for free. When your credits run out, simply share your honest feedback. Every suggestion helps improve Ankon, and in return, you'll receive additional credits to continue creating. Because we're not just building an AI video generator. We're building a platform that turns ideas into stories people remember. One prompt, one document, one idea, in just a few minutes. A complete whiteboard video. That's Ankon AI.